I went to school for this, so don't worry. I'm gonna go grab a sandwich. I'm gonna be back, right? You just stay there, don't move. All right, we'll see you in 2 weeks.